Hi team. If you're interested in the MyRC whiteboard, but you don't really feel like going to the back end of MyRC all the time to find a link, here's an easy way to make this or any link look like an app on your cell phone. Here's all you have to do. On your phone, go ahead and log in to KB Core. From here, you'll scroll down and find the link to My Business. Scroll on down and let's find the link to the RC whiteboard. I have Google Sheets installed as an app on my phone, so it wants to open it there. I'm just going to say cancel, and it's going to open it up as a browser page. From here, I'm going to click the box at the bottom with the arrow coming out of it, and that's going to bring up a whole bunch of options. And I can say add to my home screen or add to home screen. It's going to let me name this, and I'm going to say RC Whiteboard, if I can spell it, and I'm going to hit add. And then looky there, I've got a little app, so anytime I want to see that RC whiteboard, I can just scroll on over and click on my app. It's as easy as that. For an Android explanation of how to do this, click on a separate video.